2004 Chevy Savanna. Let's do the upper control arm replacement. There's a bolt down here and there's two bolts holding on the side. So let me get the socket. Okay. My camera was shut off, I don't even see it, so I didn't have the chance to show how to do it. But when you lose the bolt down here, okay, as soon as you lose the bolt, hammer right here, pounding right there, hit it maybe 2 times hard, and that's just pop right out. Okay, you can use a like a ball joint press, but you don't have to. Just use a hammer right there, and then you should be okay. And my battery ran out and I don't even see that, so sorry I didn't catch that. Now just take, I already losing all the bolt, and just take that out. It's this. So now it came off, and this, the one inside here kind of tight because this the shot is on the way. But you can use a plier to do it. So your hand cannot be in there, so using plier to grab this and pull right off. Okay. Alright, now just pull this off. This is a new one. Come with that, and also come with the grit filler, everything. So I'm going to put it right back in there. Okay, and I'm going to using this one first. Like that. And this one hanging right there, and the nut will go inside. For this one right here, I'm going to use a screwdriver to guiding, make sure the hole is straight. So when the hole is straight, then you can push from the inside. Alright, so it's sticking my in already. My camera cannot see it, but when you come to this right here, you should be able to do it. Alright, so now I got it. Okay, see, and then make sure put this guys in. Pretty much you have to take to alignment to make sure this is working. Because if you don't take to alignment, could be a alignment problem. Tie this up. Now they're changing the socket to 18 to a 19 socket now because of the new nut that they provide with this ball. This is 19, no longer 18. The original ones are 18. The grease filler nipple. Number 7. So, in case you have spinning, so you have to use a you have L wrench, or you have one of this, which is it's a 6. It's a T6, I think, to put in here, okay, to lock in, because if you don't do it, then keep spinning on you. Put this in. Good to have 2 hands. Yeah, if you don't have L wrench, then you're in trouble. Okay, now it's locked up, and time to fill my grease on it. Don't forget to tie all this. Okay, that's good enough. Maybe too much already. Alright, so I'm gonna grease in. I'm going to tie all this back up, and then we'll be done. Okay, that's it. It's done.